What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome viewers and subscribers. Welcome to Real Talk TV. What a guan, how no steer out there. Guys, I want to say big up on yourself. I want to say thank you very much for all of the love on our show. I want to say thank you for like, share, comment on the videos them. I want to say thank you for everything. Guys, if today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. If tomorrow is your birthday, happy belated birthday. Yesterday. If tomorrow is your birthday, happy birthday when it come. So you don't know how it go. Guys, wellness check. Do no wellness check. Check on your friends and family. And also do no check on people where maybe having or fighting a domestic violence. Guys, I really want to talk to you. I really want to talk to you. And this is a very serious talking. Guys, if you were born in a different country and you come and live into the United States of America and you haven't heard or you haven't heard that the immigration, everything with this new administration have changed. And it have changed to, I don't know if I should say it bad or the worst, but it have changed. The laws that was in this country for a long time, as for what they're saying, is now rolling out the way how they think it should roll out or should have been rolling out. What I mean, guys, is things that you see happening now and you say, oh, it's new. It's not. It is not new. It's just now they're moving forward with all these things. Now, my viewers and subscribers, what I really want to say is something that may change all of your thought. A green card holder, listen good enough, a green card holder, which I'm going to play the video for you. A green card holder faced deportation in harsh immigration system shift. Now guys, a green card holder. By the way, watch this. Watch this news, then we'll talk.
Often, but immigration arrests are still taking place. Right now, more than 80% of the cases end in deportation. WGN's Lourdes Duarte introduces you to a couple caught up in the system.
An estimated 13 million people in the U.S. hold green cards. They're not citizens, they're legal permanent residents, a documented status that for years felt secure. Not anymore. A former Chicago area official who spent 30 years working inside the federal immigration system is beginning to share her experience and weighed in on the case of a Jamaican man suddenly arrested and fearing deportation.
We have a lot of mutual friends, and so we eventually met.
These days, Benji Lindsay shares her husband's story through pictures, from family gatherings to romantic vacations.
Daytime been trying to get me to go out with him almost probably about 6 months before that. And I kept saying, no, I wasn't interested.
She eventually caved and married him 6 years ago. They've been together ever since, until 3 months ago when the couple returned from a trip to Jamaica and her husband, who has lived in the U.S. for 30 years, was stopped by an immigration agent at O'Hare.
She was very nice, and she was like, unfortunately, due to new regulations and further screening process, we're going to detain him.
That was the last time she saw him. Dayton Lindsay is in the U.S. legally. He has a valid green card and has traveled to his home country of Jamaica many times before. So he never expected to be detained by immigration. His story is similar, though, to others we've heard before as immigration arrests rise.
Things are different than they ever used to be.
Nobody knows that better than Gail Montenegro. She spent 30 years working within the immigration system, including its courts. She retired recently and is now beginning to speak up about the changes she's seeing.
I think everyone in the system is under a great deal of pressure to increase numbers, increase arrests, increase removals.
Some of that has played out on camera as immigration arrests by federal agents made headlines. She helped us make sense of Dayton Lindsay's case as the couple made the rare move of sharing their experience over the last 3 months with us, even before a final decision is made by a judge.
So were you thinking like, okay, let's go away from it?
That's daytime.
Oh, is it really?
Yes.
Yeah, answer.
We were there when her husband called home. He says he has lost 25 pounds while detained first at Broadview, then Indiana, and now Kentucky.
From Monday to Friday, I have to drink water out of my hands.
And how's the food?
That's terrible.
Do you get any fruits and vegetables?
Since I've been here, vegetables, no.
It's very hard to explain or for him to grasp that he's being detained and has been detained so long and hasn't committed a crime.
So what led to that immigration arrest? We looked through documents that detail prior traffic tickets, a DUI, and a domestic battery charge. All of those were more than 10 years ago, though. In that time, he's traveled to and from the U.S. repeatedly. In a court document, the judge writes the court recognizes that some of these offenses individually are not particularly serious, but in total, they show a habitual disregard for the law.
Even though he was eligible for bond, the immigration judge denied his release. And so this, to me, is an example of how the administration's enforcement strategy is becoming stricter. In order for that domestic violence conviction to be a deportable offense, historically it would have to have a sentence of a certain amount of time or more, and this didn't rise to that threshold.
So far, the couple has spent $40,000 to fight the case in court, but say numbers are not in their favor. Here's a look at the number of Illinois deportations. You can see the trend over the last few years. In May, nearly 4,500 Illinois cases ended in deportations, something the Lindsays aren't prepared for.
Jamaica's not his home. It hasn't been his home for a long, long time. And the reality of it is that if he is deported, then our whole lifestyle would change.
The Trump administration has said their stricter measures are a way to close immigration loopholes. Right now, Cook County has the second highest number of pending immigration deportation court cases. That means Dayton Lindsay's case is a common experience, whether you're documented or not. He heads to court at the end of the month, not giving him much time to mount his case and perhaps convince a judge.
So guys, you see that news. Yeah, you see. So the immigration arrests may be getting less media attention. That's what they said. But behind closed door, there's a lot going on. As you see and as you hear in that small clip of news, is this gentleman been living in, not really this gentleman, let me call his name, what is his name again? Dayton Lindsay, a Jamaican green card holder who have lived in the United States for over 30 years. Over 30 years. And during that 30 years, he been going back and forth to Jamaica. Nothing happened. During that 30 years, nothing happened. But while he's visiting Jamaica and living in the United States, something happened. He get tickets, he get this, But there is a problem that he didn't even know that would affect him right now. The problem is a domestic battery, which is a criminal offense in America. As a matter of fact, it is a criminal offense in a lot of countries. Jamaica, Canada, England, Britain, a lot of places. Domestic battery, domestic everything is a criminal offense. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I've been talking about domestic violence and domestic abuse and domestic everything for a while. Now, this is what comes up on this Dayton Lindsay file when come to TSA while coming back from Jamaica. The wife haven't seen him since because they've been moving him from one camp to the other camp, to the other camp, to the other camp with court and to get him deported. Now, as the wife said, if he get deported, go back to Jamaica, the relationship go be changed, the relationship go be different. Yes, it's going to be different. Yes, it's going to change because you're not going to be able to go back and forth to Jamaica every day. Now, my viewers and subscribers, what I really want to talk about is if you're born in another country and you're living in the United States and you have any kind of criminal record, meaning domestic, robbery, any kind of, and you happen to be traveling outside of the country, the United States, yeah? Take this from me. If you're ready to go home to your country forever, that's when you fly. But if you don't want to go back to your country, or if you don't want to be deported back to your country, stay in the United States, you're safer. As one lawyer said, as long as you're in the United States, you're okay. But once you leave the United States and to come back, while you leave on your way back, once your name go into that system, it's checking everything. It's checking everything you do in the United States from the day you come in this country. More than 80% of cases now ended in deportation, and the Cook County have the second highest number of pending deportation cases in the country. 80%. 80%. So that simply means a lot of deportation is going on, but you're not knowing about it. So guys, what am I saying? What am I simply saying? I am simply saying to be careful of what you're doing out there. Be careful of how you're living out there. Walk away from trouble if you can. Not walk away, just walk away. Because sometimes you can't really walk away because of the situation. But guys, you know how me stay when it comes on to domestic violence and hitting women and all those things. Leave the people, them girl pitney alone. If them do something what you don't like, walk away from it. And ladies, let me say something to you. The good Lord give you that vagina for yourself to do what you want to do with it. When you have the man, when the man take care of you or I give you something or I give you money and you believe that you want another you believe that you want another injection in your middle section, left that man. Leave him alone. Leave the people, them son alone and go talk to that man over there. And guys, if she believe that she want to go over there, not because you spend some money upon her, not because you help her with some things, make she go on. Leave her alone. Please and thank you. I'm begging you to leave her alone because that's what is causing the problem. You give a woman some money, buy a woman some things, and you believe you just buy somebody. Slavery finished long time. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. Have no fear for atomic energy, cause some of them can stop this. Won't you help me sing? Redemption song. Hey, my people, I told you no. Hey, but hear what me I say still. Reality. Slavery abolished long time. Mental slavery still a go on still, but at the same time, you don't own people girl pitney, and ladies, you do own people boy pitney, and you piss them out. For the 9 months she carry you, I carry him. Yeah, you never born him. So because of that, all you have to do, walk away, man. Me know say, sometimes you're in a relationship and the relationship nice. And you spend, and you spend, and you spend, and you buy, and you this, and you that. And the lady decide to go cheat on you, and you just can't take it. Me understand them things. Me understand cheating is rough. But me also understand that your freedom is nice. Your freedom when you have the key in your hand and you open the door is nice. Me know that because me have one key when me open my door. Me open the truck, me open the car, me open the, you know. So freedom is nice. And listen again. If you cannot afford to lose a woman, don't take her up. Trouble again. Rodney are in a trouble. Whoa. Hey, if you cannot afford to lose a woman, leave her alone. Don't take her up. And this is the reason. A woman have the right to do what she want to do, yeah? A man have the right to do what he want to do, yeah? So if you is with a woman, like the soldier guy, hey soldier, boy soldier me have a big you up, brother. Like this woman there with a soldier man, and there with a next soldier man, and live with one, and there with one. And this soldier man, this woman, carry this soldier man in the other soldier man house. And this soldier man come catch them. This soldier man come catch them because soldier man know what go on, you know. But the soldier man tell my man to leave him house. But my man afraid to left through the door. The soldier man I say left through because he don't know if the soldier man I go pop him in the head. That's the reason why, guys, do not go at no woman house. The Lord Jesus have mercy. Lord God. Here we go again. Man, the man them, stop go at woman yard. When you know, why don't we all just get drunk? Get drunk and sing beer drinking song. Hey, let me tell you something, you know. You know where this gone? This case, hold on a little bit. Hold on. Do you all realize what happened in this case? This man say the woman have the soldier man. And you are the bunner man, and you go at the woman yard where you know at the him and the man live. And the man come catch you. And you have your gun put on. Because the man say, see your gun there? And him a film. And him could have bust you in your head back. Him could have bust out your head back. And him not do it. Because him respect him freedom. Me I wonder who grow you. You see what me I talk about? Me I wonder who grow that young man. Who grow you, Soji? Are your mother or your grandmother? Whosoever grow you, remember me tell you, me want to know them. Yeah, man. But guys, you know what me I say? Do not go in a woman's yard. And if you cannot afford to lose the woman, don't take her up. Don't deal with her if you can't afford to lose her. Because, tell them something. It is nice to have a woman, yeah? It is not nice to lose a woman, yeah? It is not nice to get bun, yeah? No, it's not nice. Bun not nice at all. Bun and cheese, nice. But when you know, say, a man, a sing song in a year woman center pad, when you know, worse when you see it, boy, when you take them two yaya and see it, worse if you see him stand up and go, sir. They say, until thy kingdom come, you remember that. Until, that's why, that is the reason why I always tell a man this and a woman. When you left a girl, you not take him back. She could have come at your yard, she could have been a when she did have you, she never know what to do yet. No ride again. Yeah, man. Anytime you left a woman, or a woman left you, fear man, never take her back. Yeah, that's my belief. Never take a woman back who burn you. If a woman burn you, like you and her there, and she go cheat on you, do not take back that woman. Let me say this to you. If a woman cheat on you, she cheat on you for a reason, for a certain reason. She cheat on you because she like that man. So when that man done ring out the clock, why you believe you must bring back that clock for me? No, me don't want that. Me don't want that. Me done with that. No ride again. Say me say when you leave a man, you not take him back. She coulda come at your yard, and coulda beg and a chat. When him did have you, she never know where to do. You know me sing that song, you realize how me sing that song there? She and he. But guys, to be honest, the whole domestic thing where people are beat woman, fight woman and all them things, it need to stop. Because at the end of the day, how me fi put it? I want to put it away where it not go cause no argument, yeah? Woman can be very difficult. Yeah, woman can be very difficult. I don't know if it's just how the hormones in females that have them be that kind of person. But at the end of the day, we have to love them and take care of them. Because of them bring forth us on this land. A full time now, we as man think and stop beat woman and stop fight woman and walk away. Because this gentleman lose his freedom because of a domestic battery that he have done years ago. Maybe when he was younger. Not maybe, when he was younger, years ago. You know? So, and guys, me really say this to you. See? When you hear me talk about that, one time, me did get himself in a altercation with one lady when me was with. Because of, you see this burning thing is not an easy thing. Yeah. You know, I'm going to talk about that one day. I'm going to make that a story one day. I'm going to make it a story. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I'm out. Bye-bye. Chat. Bye.